When I did get close enough, I realized that these were the American white pelicans. Hi, this is Alan Karl. Welcome to my YouTube channel, WorldRider-TV. Today I bring you to the Batiquitos Lagoon. Hey, and while I'm thinking of it, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right down below. The Batiquitos Lagoon. It's a big lagoon sandwiched between the cities of Encinitas to the south and Carlsbad to the north. In fact, it's one of the only remaining tidal wetlands in Southern California. Throughout the year, about 200 different species of birds find Batiquitos Lagoon. Some, of course, make it their home year-round. Others stop here on their way south to Mexico, Central America. They stop here to maybe take a swim, bathe and bask in the beauty of that California sunshine, or maybe to dine on some local seafood here in the lagoon. And while you do get some nice views of the lagoon and the birds by foot, well, I feel the real way to discover and experience the Batiquitos Lagoon, and that's for the bird's eye view and from above. So I decided to take out my drone today and actually get a sense of the beauty and the expanse of this lovely estuary and tidal wetland. And after I went airborne, I noticed something very distinct. A little half circle or semicircle of white birds grouped together in the middle of the lagoon. And I thought to myself, that's odd, I've never seen that before. As I flew my drone a bit closer to this circle of white birds, I tried to be careful not to disturb them with the noise of the propellers. Even though the glare of the setting sun on my screen made it a bit difficult to read, when I did get close enough, I realized that these were the American white pelicans. This is the first time I've ever seen an American white pelican here at Batiquitos Lagoon, or actually anywhere in Southern California. Of course, the white pelicans spend most of their time during the year breeding in the interior of the North American continent, but during the winters they do make their way to the coasts and then maybe fly south. What's most common as you walk on the beach or cruise the coast of California is many sightings of flocks of California brown pelicans. And I get mesmerized watching them diving into the water and scooping up fish and then nosediving, dive bombing like a Japanese kamikaze in World War II. They just go head first deep into the water and then fly right out of it, usually with a nice piece of fish in their mouth. That's right, the California brown pelican is a diver. But the white pelican, the American white pelican, doesn't nosedive for fish. The American white pelican takes a little bit more peaceful search for food. They were doing something that I thought I'd normally see at an Olympic event, akin to synchronized swimming, except they weren't swimming. They were actually feeding or herding fish. They herd fish by creating this circle and then dipping their heads in unison, in synchronicity, into the water, coming back up with a prize of whatever the small school of fish that they're feeding on. Well, I hope you enjoy this bird's eye view of the Batiquitos Lagoon here in North San Diego County and those amazing and rare American white pelicans doing their magical cooperative feeding exercise just for you. if you haven't subscribed to already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for some notification. Hey, until the next time, stay curious and never stop exploring. See you on the next one.